I'm Karen Schaub with Channel Vision. Today I'll be demonstrating how to install an A0314D iPod dock with a local volume control keypad. Before we start, you'll need the following items: a Phillips head screwdriver, a jeweler's screwdriver, a punch down tool, RCA cables, a 3-gang junction box, and Cat5 cable. You'll also need a working iPod and an audio system to test. Next, I'll show you what's included in your box, and then we'll go ahead and reconfigure the trim plate to accommodate for the local source keypad. You should have in your box a dock, an audio output wall unit, a bag of 10 screws, a power supply, your trim plate accessories, there'll be 2 of these, and then your instruction manuals. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the keypad and continue the transformation process to accommodate for the local source keypad. First, what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, remove this left-hand flange and just simply carefully slide that up. The next thing you're going to do is remove this side plate right here. So you're going to take both thumbs and just simply remove that. You'll hear a clicking noise. So we're going to go ahead and put those to the side. The next piece is we're going to take this piece right here, and either with your thumbnail or with your jeweler's screwdriver, remove this side piece right here. And that should simply pop out. So carefully remove that. And then the same motion that you're going to do that we did with the dock, we're going to do with this plate. And simply flip it over and then snap this piece out. Now the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and marry this piece up with the actual dock. It can only go one way, so you can't mess up. And then just go ahead and align those pieces. So now you have your dock. And then to go ahead and get these 2 pieces together, take your flange again and go ahead and slide that down. And then you've completed the transformation process. Next, we'll go ahead and do the installation. Now that we've completed the transformation process of the trim plate, we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of the installation. So first of all, you'll need to finish up your wiring, and then go ahead and attach the trim plate for the volume control. It does clearly state top at the top, and then you'll go ahead and use the tapered screws to go ahead and attach it to the wall. The next step will be to make sure you do your punch down. You'll see here we've already done that, starting with the striped wire and alternating between the solids and the stripes. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is attach it to the wall. So carefully go ahead and push your Cat5 cable into the wall and then just slide it over and push it in so it attaches. To safely secure it to the wall, we're going to go ahead and take this front cover off to reveal the chassis. You'll notice a ribbon cable here. Make sure that you hang on to this and don't let the cable ribbon drop. So the next thing we're going to do is take the 4 included screws and go ahead and put those into the wall here. After we've gone ahead and put the 4 screws in, we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and slide the ribbon cable back in. And then at a 30-degree angle, you're going to go ahead and put the cover on and then slide up and slide down so the cover is secure. The next step is going to be to remove this portion right here. There's 2 additional screws underneath there. Simply take your jeweler's screwdriver and push up and out to remove the piece. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is put the 2 small screws into the holes here. the next thing is to go ahead and reattach this piece here to the cover. So go ahead and put this as close as you can to the trim plate and simply snap it back into place. So the last step is to go ahead and put back in your rails. So we're going to go ahead and take the right rail and we're going to go ahead and just slide that straight down. And same thing for the left rail, just go ahead and put that in. And slide that down. And now you have your completed wall dock.